You know that weighing scale in your bathroom? The one you step on every now and then? Well, we're about to uncover its secret. Because that number you see, it's kind of telling you a little white lie. A helpful one, for sure, but still a lie.
So, let's pull back the curtain, shall we? Let's figure out what that number is actually telling us. And it all comes down to a really simple but super important question.
Okay, so here's the big question. Is that number it shows you your weight, or is it your mass? I mean, we throw those words around like they mean the same thing, right? But in the world of science, of physics, oh, they are completely different.
All right, you ready? Let's get into the machine's big secret. And trust me, the answer is so clever, it's like the perfect example of all this cool physics just hiding in plain sight in our everyday stuff.
Okay, here's the heart of it. Your scale, at its core, is designed to do just one thing. It measures the force of gravity pulling you down towards the Earth. And that force, that's your weight. But, and here's the twist, the number you see on the display is in kilograms, right? And kilograms are unit of mass. See what's happening? It measures one thing but shows you something else entirely.
And there it is. That's the big secret. Your scale is basically a tiny, super specialized computer. It measures your weight, but what it shows you is your mass. So, how on earth does it do that? How does it make that switch?
Let's break it down. There's some pretty simple science going on right under your feet every single time you step on that thing. It's actually a pretty slick three-step process.
It's really just a quick little calculation. First, you stand on it. Easy enough. That applies a force. Step 2, the machine measures that force. That's your weight. And then, here comes the clever part. The scale already knows the value of Earth's gravity. It's programmed right in. So it takes your weight, divides it by that gravity number, and boof, the result is your mass, in kilograms, right there on the screen.
Now, you might be thinking, okay, that's a cool party trick, but so what? Why does it even matter? Well, this difference between weight and mass, it's actually one of the most important fundamental ideas in all of science.
So here's the key takeaway. Your mass. Think of it as the amount of you there is. All the atoms, the matter, the stuff that makes you up. That number is constant. It never ever changes, no matter where you go in the universe. Your weight, though, that's just the temporary relationship between your stuff and the gravity of whatever planet or moon you're standing on. And because gravity is different everywhere, your weight changes all the time.
And this is the perfect way to really get it. Let's say you have a person who has a mass of 70 kilograms. That 70 kilos of stuff is the same whether they're here on Earth or bouncing around on the moon. But their weight, totally different story. Here on Earth, gravity pulls on them with a force of about 686 newtons. But on the moon, where gravity is way weaker, they'd only weigh around 113 newtons. Can you believe that? Same person, same mass, but they weigh 6 times less.
So why does your scale even bother with this calculation? Why not just show you your weight? Well, it's because for things that really matter, like health and fitness, it's your mass that's important. I mean, think about it. When a doctor calculates your BMI, they need a consistent number, a number that doesn't change if you're on a mountain or at the beach. Your mass is that reliable, constant number. Your weight, not so much.
So, yeah, the next time you step on that scale, maybe you'll see it a little differently. You can appreciate that little piece of physics magic happening right there. It's a great reminder that science isn't just for labs and textbooks. It's everywhere.
And this quote just hits the nail on the head, doesn't it? Science is in our everyday life. You just need the vision to understand it. It's so true. Physics isn't some far-off complicated thing. It's literally in your bathroom, silently doing this amazing calculation, turning force into mass. It's just hidden in plain sight.
And that really leaves us with one last question, doesn't it? If a simple bathroom scale is hiding such a cool secret, what else are we missing? What other amazing bits of science are just quietly working all around us, waiting to be noticed?